Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the monk skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. We're just going to draw in two big circles. Let's draw one, come across, draw another one. Okay, this one's a little bit wobbly, but we can correct that. And then on the inside here, drawing a circle. So that's gonna be my highlight. And let me shade around it real quick so we can see this eyeball a little bit better. Okay, so just your basic cartoon eyes. Right, and then from there we're gonna draw in the side of the face. So just from the top of the circle, just come across right here. Draw one line down, same thing here, come across. So this is gonna be the side of the face. Just come down probably twice the height of the eyeballs. All right, and then from there we're gonna finish up the top. So just one big curve all the way around. And then same thing here, we'll just go all the way around on the bottom. Alright, and then in the middle right here, from this point, just draw one line across. So this is gonna be the stitching for the mouth. I know it looks really weird right now. And then now we're gonna draw in the opposite curve of this, just right over here, so right underneath the eyes. So just curve all the way around. So this is almost like a football shape. Okay, and then from here, just draw in a couple of these stitch lines right here. So it's just little rectangles. Okay, and then let's add in one line here on the top. So that's the face, and then for the ear, we're gonna come right over here, same spot again. We're gonna curve all the way down here. So we're gonna start up here, let's come out, and then just come back in. So same thing here. And let's add in one border all the way around. So this one's easy. We just follow that curve. Alright, and then to finish up the head, let's just add in those little, looks like little hairs on the top. So I'm going to start right in the middle. Let's curve out, and then I'll just curve it, and then just come back in. Okay, so that's one, and then right here I'm going to draw a smaller one. From the center again, just curve, and then just come back in. And then one more big one right here. So start in the center again. And this one's gonna go this side. So just curve, and then this one's gonna go behind the smaller one there. So just curve it and come back in. Alright, so that's the head. So now for the body is very easy. There's not a lot of details. Let's start out with a scarf around the shoulder and neck first. So right here, just curve out, and then just come toward the center. And then let's add in some detail here. So one line, and then one going this side to make it look like cloth. Okay, and then right here, just come straight down. So this is gonna be the armpit right here. And then we'll pinch it down all the way down to the waist. And then from here, let's finish up the scarf. So here's the loose end. Just gonna draw in one rectangle coming down, and then on the very end here, let's draw another rectangle and then just divide it up. Okay, and then lastly, some detail right here in the chest area. Just curve in, draw two little curves coming in. Alright, so now let's draw in the arm. So here's our armpit. Start on the shoulder up here, come down, And then for the bicep, gotta be a little bit skinnier so it's kind of straight. So here's the elbow. Now we're just gonna come all the way down. She's got these almost look like mittens. So come all the way down here, just past the waist area. And then now I'm gonna continue on the back here. It's gotta be a little bit wider, so just come all the way out. And then here on the thumb, just come down and just hook it. And then start on this side right here. Here's the back of the hand. Just curve down and then just tuck it in behind the thumb. So there's just like mittens. Alright, and then for the other side it's the same. So here's the armpit again. Shoulders coming down. Bicep. So here's the elbow. Same thing here, just come all the way down. Just use the other side for reference. And then here we're gonna go out again. Make it a little bit wider. And then right here, just hook toward the center. And then back of the hand right here. Just curve and then just hook it back up. Alright, and then lastly, right around the waist area right here, just come across. Draw a line here. Alright, so that's the upper body, so let's keep moving down. So come toward the center right here, come down, make a little mark. I'm going to start up here. Here's the waist and the thighs, come all the way down. Just curve, and then on this side, curve in. So same thing on the other side. So this is a big curve, so it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so here's her knee right here. And then for the lower legs, we'll flare out. We can close that off first. Flare out, and then just close it. Okay, and then now we're gonna pinch it in. Just come down, close it off. And then to finish off the boot, just a little dome shape, curve, and just come out a little bit more on this side. And then close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Pinch it in, close it off. Dome shape, just come out. A little bit more on this side. Okay, and then lastly, just got some more stitchings down here. Just draw one line and then just a couple of stitches right here. And that is it for this skin. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.